All right. Yeah. Look at this. This is beautiful. This car just makes me want to stare at it. Pretty mellow today. Oh yeah, the weather's kind of crap today too. What I do? Oh, we had to correct it. Two-stage correction. Installed ceramic pro gold on it. Look, it's on the rims. See, right there. It's on the windows. Comes with a lifetime warranty. 4 layers of 9H. 1 layer of light. God, this is nice. Don't break the system, it'll last a lifetime. Man, I do good work. This is amazing. Come for your inspections? Yeah, come once a year, it'll last a lifetime. Weather's got us calm today. We're calm. We're just gonna stare at this beautiful view. It's phenomenal. It came out great.